Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make buna ghost, or we also called it as mutton masala curry. For that we have taken tomato, 2.5 and 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and all these spices into this much quantity, and we have taken 3 onions medium size, 1.5 kg of meat. Nicely we have chopped and cleaned it properly. Now in 1 cup of oil we are going to add those spices, the raw spices. It's important though you are going to make that garam masala, but still this is important because it's going to give that aroma and nature feeling. After 30 seconds or 15 seconds we are going to add the onions which are sliced. We will shallow fry it. When the color will change, we are going to add the ginger garlic paste. We will also be needed coriander leaves, mint leaves and sliced green chilies, which is around 5 to 6. If it's not too much hot, you can take more. Now we will grind the tomato and we are going to put it here. Mix it well so that the water gets absorbed and it gets dry, and then you will see the change in the color. It's time to add the powder, which is turmeric powder, half tablespoon, and half tablespoon of salt. We'll take 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, then it's time to add the coriander powder, 2 tablespoons. These are all the basic stuff that we regularly add. Add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and mix it properly. I'm not using the packet one which we get specially to make the meat, though you will get the same taste. So just stay tuned and keep making in the step by step I am using it, so you can make in my way. It's time to add yogurt, not much. We are taking 1.5 spoon. Yogurt we are going to add after 5 to 6 minutes, and if the gravy is getting dry you can add some water and let it cook very well. After 5 minutes of yogurt, we are going to add the meat, sprinkle the chopped coriander leaves and green chili which are sliced, mint leaves along with it, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper at this moment. Once we are going to mix it very well for 5 minutes and then let it cook in water, half glass of water. Depends on you how well you want it to get cooked for a long time. Now it's better to add 1 glass of water and we will let it cook without closing it in medium temperature. If you are taking more kg of meat, then you can add 2 glass. After 5 to 10 minutes, now we are going to close the lid. After one whistle, our recipe is ready. You can open and check out, especially before serving it, to know that it is cooked very well and it is soft and tender. You can serve this recipe with chapati, salad, or rice as you prefer. The color is beautiful, and also the smell, I can feel it, the aroma. So do try out the same way as I have proceeded, and I hope you will like the recipe, and let me know after trying it in the comment section, and share it with your friends, relatives, whomever you want them to make or learn. It's very easy. And lastly, we are going to just give some garnishing look. You can put lemon and serve it. So that's it. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned and like, share, comment and subscribe.